Alright, boys, what's going on? We're back. Simply, we're back. Took a little hiatus. Spring break was last week. Went to Miami, went to Fort Lauderdale, went on a cruise, saw Key West, visited the Bahamas with some of my college boys and some hometown boys. It was a fantastic time. But with the fantastic time, we missed a whole week of trading, whole week of opportunities. So in this video, I'm gonna go back um, and let's look at the overall market last week and see what trades we missed out on, what opportunities we missed out on. Because I feel like this is very important to not just go a whole week without seeing any sort of market or screen time. Like I want to still get those reps in, if that makes sense. But yeah, in Miami, saw some fucking pretty decent techno. Went to Club Space. It was awesome. I actually went back to back nights in Club Space, sunrise set. So got there around 1 a.m., 12 p.m., and stayed there till 8 a.m., which was brutal at the end. But let me slide this number to you. You can catch me in the streets with my khakis on. Not your tail smoking blunts with my crew. Yeah, I love house music and I love that stuff. So it was a fun time, especially experiencing it with some friends. But let's just get straight into it, alright? So to start with the Forex, I just went through this all and absolutely zero trades. I look for the 4 hour. I look for the 4 hour to see if price is in making clear. I look for a clear trending market in one direction. So on Euro Chef, we see a bullish market, see an imbalance, price trade into on Monday, but no entries in the 15-minute. As you can see, we kind of just break structure here. That could have been an entry, I guess. Maybe, but too sus for me. I would have liked to see another one. But yeah, literally zero A plus setups this week. All these, look at how choppy. A lot of just chop everywhere. But we did get one good setup on Euro AUD. So you see bullish market, 4 hour imbalance. We go into the 15-minute. What do? We get a change in state delivery right here. We break structure upside, retrace, another break of structure, and I could have gotten that retracement and enter long out of this 15-minute for value gap for a 2.45R trade. That's the only real Forex trade I saw for this week, which took place on Monday, so right at the beginning of the week. And now let's go into our future side. I'll start with S&P. So this is Monday, market open. And as you can see, market open on Monday. There's two main draws I'm looking for. Dude, what the fuck? What in the hell? There's two main draws I'm looking for, right? So as you can see, it doesn't take a freaking market wizard to see price is trending down. So what is price looking for? For sell side targets. We have this low here that I want to price take out, and if we zoom all the way out, look at this gap back here. Boom, we gapped back in September and we never refilled that gap, so that's my next target. So on Monday we come to the market. Market opens right here. Boom, this is my draw. I usually wait for the 5-minute to show me where price wants to go. Boom. Price comes, we take out that low, but we come in with displacement and we tap out to the 1-minute. This is a 5-minute for value gap. We take out this low, but we respect this 5-minute gap, breaking structure right here. So I would enter short on this position, on this down close candle, and final take profit here, but I would have some partials along the way, maybe with a fib or something. But that's the one trade I see on ES. And yeah, as you see, hopefully it works out. Not even sure what happens. Alright, so I would have been taking out a break even. That's one trade idea from ES. Now let's check on NQ. We gotta see what are our draws. Yeah, so this is the obvious draw on Monday. This is gap. I guess we have lows here. Lows here. Yes, let's do the same on the 4 hour. So on NQ, those are my draws. Right. So now I wait for the 5 and 15 minutes, see if we get any entries. No imbalances on the 15 minute. No real imbalances. So we see market opens. What do? We break structure. Boom. Break structure again, creating an imbalance. I would look to take a short out of this imbalance here. This is kind of really clean here. Boom. We come in. We don't have an inverse for value gap entry, but we break structure. That's all I need. Boom. And what would my take profit be? Could target all the way down here, but I probably would have entered or exited around a 1.5 R. So that's like Monday's trade. Let's see what else happens though. So we come in. So we get a change in state delivery here. This is past my trading hours. But yeah, that would have worked out too. Another 5-minute inverse. Actually, oh my bad. This is 5 minutes for value gap. No candle closure. We tap in. Break of structure here. Could enter anywhere here. But you see this is kind of messy. So I don't know if I really want to get involved here. But now let's go to Tuesday. That's pretty much the end of the day for me. Boom. So we end up taking all those lows and breaking structure. Wow. Okay. So here, start of the day here. we actually sweep those lows. We have an imbalance here on the hourly. We get a change in state delivery. So on this day, I'm possibly looking to go. We're possibly looking to go long, but the problem is, look, we're in this 4-hour beefy gap. So we really got to be careful here. When we sweep, we break structure. I'd probably have to see what the 5-minute wants to do. But what are my draws? Let's see. One draw. Another draw. Hourly gap. We just took out that. We just took out this pre-market high. So I don't want to see how price reacts. Okay. So when I see this happen, I know we want to go lower and probably take out these lows. Because you got to understand, I'm going with 15-minute order flow. We sweep. Let's see what ES is doing. SMT as well. Wow, this is so easy, bro. With SMT, boom, lower high, and Q, higher high. Big SMT. We have this. We have this low that needs to be hit, and this low that still didn't get tapped. So now I have my draw. Now I need to see how price is gonna get in there. Break structure. We're in a premium of the range, as you see. Boom. I need to see this for value gap get invalidated. Let's see if we break structure anywhere. So we tag in. We still need to see a break though. Boom. So now I'm very bearish, but this is another target. Now I just need to wait for somewhere to get in on the 5-minute. Alright, this is past my trading day. I didn't really see any setups. I'm trying to think. Not really, dude. No real setups today. See what happens till tomorrow. See, it's that work nobody wants to put in, but you gotta understand it's very, very important. If you guys want to make it one day, you gotta do this boring shit. It comes down to screen time and working hard. Yeah, I'd rather be doing something else right now, but dude, I need to see what happens, you know? Yeah, looks like we're just in a little range. Pre-market, we're coming in. Ooh. So on the hourly, what are we doing? On the hourly, we come in. I don't think we come in. Do we pierce this? So we might be tapping into an hourly gap, but that gap gave us a huge reaction. So what are our targets here? Well, this is an obvious target, and this is an obvious target. But let's see the ES too. ES less obvious, but do you have an SMT? Oh, we both took out the highs. So this is the target, I would say, for the day. Because as you see, we're probably in a 4-hour imbalance. Yes, sir. We're in a 4-hour imbalance. Let's see if the 15-minute we can inverse these gap. Oh, yeah. So at this point, I'm pretty much 100% sure we're going for this low. I feel like I missed out though. Okay. So at this point, I'm gonna look for an area to get in. So I see that we are in a equilibrium sort of situation. Let's get a sweep. Okay. So we're breaking structure actually on the 5-minute. Can't ignore that. Do we get SMT? Yes, we do. 310. So we get SMT because we took out this low on ES, but in Q we couldn't take it out. So this could be bullish confluence here. But let's see. At this point, I haven't seen any possible trades, to be honest. No trades for me today. Let's go to the next day now. Let's see what we can get on that. So we're just in this range, dude. So no trade Tuesday, no trade Wednesday. On the 15 minute, we have all these equal lows. Market opens, we come out, and we just destroy these lows. Yeah. So now there's two things that can happen. We either come out and keep taking out lows, or we retrace to fill some sort of higher time frame imbalance now, because price moves from external liquidity to internal liquidity. External is highs and lows, and internal is imbalances. So we take out external here on ES, and we take out external all throughout here on NQ. So now it's a matter of, are we going to keep dumping and go for this, or are we going to retrace to fill in, you know what I mean, some of these imbalances. And now that just comes down to looking at the 5 minute and see what price wants to do. So here, right here, we actually inverse this for value gap. We completely inverse this 5 minute gap. So me potentially seeing this, I'm thinking price might come out and now hunt these highs here, because we just took out all this external sell side. Now maybe we're going for buy side pulls, and the only thing supporting price in the 5 minute would be this imbalance. So low key, I'd be looking for longs out of here. I would look for this imbalance, get inverse and enter long. In the 5 minute, we could inverse it, you see. See, at this point, it's 11 o'clock. The only trade I see here would have been taking this, entering long off this, but we wouldn't have gotten hit here. We would have gotten stopped out. I don't really see any trade. We come sweep pre-market and previous day lows here. We sweep out, boom. Come up inverses for value gap. Oh, is that our SMT? That might be a little SMT ski there. But I'm not really seeing anything. So yeah, it turns out the draws were these further south side lows. Yeah, but I just didn't have any. I didn't really see any opportunity to get involved. Maybe going from this external high, external low. This honestly is the best setup today. So you see, for this day, if we go back to here, right? We break structure here in balance. We set the fib from this high to this low. We're bearish. Target is these other lows here. Go on. As you can see, that's the range we're playing within. And then on the 1 minute, we come into a deep premium. And yeah, there's somewhat equal highs here. But we break structure on the 1 minute. Maybe wait for a retrace in this area. This is the only trade I saw from today. 3.72. We could even extend this down to these lows. Which could have been a nasty 6.27R. And the reasoning behind this trade is, oh, like I said, this actually does look kind of clean. Because look, boom, we have a bearish range here. We retrace. If this is liquidity sweep, then we would break structure here, you know? And seeing the fact that we don't break structure, we come up and then we'd sell off. Then that's market showing me we're still going for these lows. We're not going. We're not. This candle sweeping these lows. For this to be a liquidity sweep, it has to break this structure point. But we don't break that structure point. We respect it. We respect this 5-hour range. We come up and then we, boom, just sell off further. So let's clean this up a little bit. For the next day now. I'm surprised we don't take out that low. Okay, so pre-market. We can get rid of all these red lines now that we're done. So boom, come down. Or hold. We still haven't broke this low. So this could be a SMT. Yep. This is an SMT. Because as you see, boys, on ES, what do? We sweep this low. On NQ, we don't sweep that low. So this is looking bullish in the higher time frame, honestly. It just is. But again, we have to see what the market gives us. So yeah, this looks bullish for right now. And these could be targets. Boom. Oh, Well, let's take this. Well, this could be this already could be an SMT. Because on NQ we sweep out $6 high. No, we don't. Let's see. Okay. So on ES, we swept that high as well. So this is looking bullish for me here. Let's see what happens. Try to use this range. See, it's already 12 o'clock. I'm missing trades. So look, boom, all my bullish targets got hit. That major SMT. Oh, this is the trade here. So as you see, we sweep pre-market lows, or these lows here. We sweep lows. Let's see what kind of entry we could have gotten up here in NQ. Again, this could have been beautiful. We come in, we sweep into this 5-minute imbalance. We inverse with this candle. Set a smaller stop. Target what? Target that high. And boom, that's a 2.45 or whatever trade right there. 2.4R. That's one trade I see. Took place around 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. So we take out one high. No, we take out this high. But my target is this high. No, target is all of these highs. Boom, 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 boom. So maybe we have the same plan ES2. So we sweep all these highs, right? We sweep all these highs and we break structure on the 5-minute. So another trade honestly could be something like this. Shorts at this candle. Targeting what? Targeting maybe these lows. Nope, we're inherently bullish. They're super bullish. Interesting. Yep, so that main play was taking this 5 minute long out of this 5 minute gap, targeting these highs up here. Are biased, or is this 4 hour SMT, and the fact that we swept these lows here and had no real imbalance, bearish imbalance, to hold the price down. Like if price is gonna come down and take out all this low resistance, we're not gonna make a sweep here, sweep candle, right? What are we gonna do? We're gonna break structure here. We're not gonna come and make this bullish wick. We're gonna come up and we're gonna break structure. Simple. But yeah, that's my analysis for the week. Only 2 or 3 real good setups, to be honest, and that one Forex one. So I'm not too upset with missing this week of trading. Hopefully, this next week there's a lot of opportunities as well. But yeah, solid video. Just putting in the time. Just because I missed out on trading live doesn't mean I just don't want to look through the markets and see, you know what I mean, what the overall trend is, what points of liquidity are we targeting, all that stuff. It's important to stay up to date on what's happening. So now if we look at the market, on the 4 hour, extreme looks kind of bullish, because you see we have these SMTs. So boom, as you guys can see here. Boom. To boom. So boom. If you guys don't understand what that means, that's divergence. That means that, what's it called? That price is possibly looking to reverse. And if we look on ES too, we are actually breaking structure right here. Break of structure to the upside on both pairs. So our targets now are going to be highs. Which highs, you might ask? These highs. These highs. Check for any daily gaps, maybe. Nothing really too scary for me. So yeah, my target now is highs, baby. That's what we're going for here. I want to see all these highs get taken. And yeah, like these imbalances could act as a form of resistance, right? But you gotta understand, like, these gaps are likely to act as resistance if we're in a bearish market, which, yeah, we are, but we make that SMT and we're breaking structure. That's kind of a sign to me that these gaps aren't gonna hold. And we already tested it once. Fuck, dude. We already tested it once with that candle. Right? We already tested these gaps once. So the chance of them holding again are not going to be as strong. But yeah, what I would like to see maybe is a move like this pre-market. Maybe start coming down, boom, take something like this, overall direction, and basically just target these highs. Hopefully we see some clear bullish price action, and I'd just look to see how we can get involved. This is what I would want to see from here. That SMT looks so beautiful. High time frame SMT. So NQ is our leading pair as well. So yeah, so I want to see price go this high, this high, this high, this high tomorrow in the next coming week. But again, you never know. If price comes out pre-market takes out this high, I'm still willing to play shorts as a form of a higher time frame retracement. But right now, I feel the higher time frame trend shifting. So, just some insight for next week. Maybe it could help you guys in your trading. But all in all, deuces. Have a good weekend. Good luck, boys.